Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Very much welcome. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Like the video, share the video as well as watching those ads. Okay, thank you very much, you guys. I want to talk about Chidimma yet again. There is a story about her mom that she's now charged with identity theft. I've seen people with pictures of Chidimma's mom in court. Someone was saying it looks like they said no videoing of no showing of her face rather in court, something like that, so you can only see like the back of her head, something like, but you can't see their face. So I do not know when it comes to this picture that I put here. So this is Chidimma's mom. Here she wasn't in court, I remember, but in court they said no showing of face allegedly, according to what I heard other guys saying. So she was in court, and then they are saying now she was charged with identity theft. Now, Anabela Rungo faces 2 charges under the Immigration Act. Anabela, who is 46, the mother of former Miss SA contestant, Miss Universe Nigeria 2024 winner, and first runner-up at the Miss Universe 2024 pageant, Chidimma Adechina, has been charged with identity theft. Rungo, who was arrested over the weekend, appeared at the Capetown Magistrate Court for a bail application yesterday. I guess that's where they were just showing like a back of her head, with no showing of Chidimma's mother's face. I'm sure they're trying to protect her when it comes to whatever, right? So, during her court appearance, an immigration officer took the stand and informed the court that Rungo had remained in South Africa despite being prohibited from entering the country. A warrant for her arrest was issued after failing to provide officials with legitimate documents saying that she had misplaced them. Now, the court learned that Urungo was in a possession of an identity document belonging to another, now which she had used and presented as her own. She had also unlawfully submitted an application as Sarah Moyo to the Department of Home Affairs. Now, Sarah Moyo is documented as a legitimate citizen of South Africa. So Home Affairs has since deleted Rungo's South African identity number belonging to Sarah Moyo. Although she declared her documents lost, her Mozambican passport showed she had several trips to South Africa, but there was no reflection that she had left the country after being prohibited person until her recent arrest. Upon her arrest, Urungo was with a 2-year-old baby, which was unidentified as a grandchild. During her arrest, officials also confiscated from her officials has also confiscated from her Summer Greens residence a laminated copy of the birth certificate of Adechina. She faces 2 charges of contravention of the Immigration Act and 1 charge of contravening the Identification Act. Now, the Department of Home Affairs said she should be granted a bail. She would be in the country illegally. She remains in custody. So, wow. There's a whole lot of good news there before too. So yeah, this is the story about Chidimma's mom. She was arrested and she appeared in court and she was charged with she faces 2 charges, under the Immigration Act. So now it is what it is. Yeah, man. Poor Anabela Rungo, what were you doing, girl? So this Sarah Moyo, now where does Sarah Moyo come from now? Girl, good. But anyways, let us just move on to yet another story. So on another one, I want to talk about Babes Wodumo as well and her court case. Remember her court case, it is her and the Philly girl. So the Philly Mhlongo lady, this is Babes Wodumo outside the Durban Magistrate Court, accompanied by those 2 guys. Gomstar Babes Wodumo assault trial, it was postponed yet again. So she appeared in court and then they postponed again. Babes, whose real name is Bongile Smilan Mapumulo from Lamontville and the South African Durban, briefly appeared in court in the Durban Magistrate Court. This is Daily Sun. She arrived wearing all black, walking alongside there's 2 young men. Looked confident that the trial proceedings will be in her favor. This is what they're saying. She thought it's gonna be in her favor, but however, she was disappointed when she was told the trial was postponed yet again. You guys, there's a lot of postponements. So now The state prosecutor Ntokozo Ngema told the court that the state wasn't ready to proceed with the trial as the investigation officer was unavailable and attending a training. Now, the prosecutor also told the court that the witness responsible for the business place cameras where the assault happened wasn't available. Now, the magistrate Ntokozo Miene adjourned the matter until Wednesday, the 12th of March, to allow the state to get one of the witnesses present in court. So, Babes is out on a warning once again. She's facing an assault charge after she allegedly assaulted a Durban designer Ufili Mhlongo of SK Designs on the 12th of March 2024. She alleged the alleged incident took place at the Pililes business location at West Walk in the West Street in the Durban CBD. It was allegedly captured by the venue's cameras. Right now. During Babes' last court appearance on the 27th of January, her lawyer disputed the video footage as the state's key evidence. Now, Babes' attorney Uthula Mlondo disputed how the video footage was obtained by the victim and how it was stored. Okay, so that was after Upili told the court she went to the business place manager and asked to watch the footage and re-recorded it using her cell phone. Now transferred it to her USB and handed it to the investigating officer. So initially her 3-day trial was set to start on the 14, 15, 16 of January, but was postponed after Umlondoke wasn't well. So kuningi ecala kaBabes Wodumo bafowethu. So there's a question about that particular footage. Kuningi, so she appeared in court yet again, but it was postponed again. Sometimes they just, for me, it just becomes a lot of postponements. But anyways, there are reasons. So Babes bafowethu, she's still in and out of court when it comes to her matter with Ufili Mhlongo. This is another story that I want to talk about. Girls, stay away of trouble and stop trapping abanye abantwana. Of course, bazokuvulela ama-case, girl. And you will be in and out of court just like that. And Munebad will be arrested. Like trapping each other. What nonsense was that? Babes Wodumo now in and out of court. Allegedly. So yeah, man, this is another story of Babes Wodumo. We will hear in March what exactly is happening in the case of Babes Wodumo and Ufili Mhlongo. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Like, subscribe, share. We meet again in my next one. Bye.